Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Galileo puzzle.
This puzzle was designed by Jürgen Reiche, founder of Siebenstein Spiele. Difficulty level of Galileo puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all 5 parts inside the tray. And if you take a closer look at the tray, you will see that it is made of wood and the top layer is made of acrylic and it covers all 4 corners. So if you want to put any piece in a corner, you can't do it like this since there is a small piece of acrylic here. You have to put it in other place and then slide inside the corner. And if you take a closer look at all 5 parts, you will see that all of them are made of 5 small squares, and it's going to be 25 in total, and it seems like there is plenty of space inside the frame to fit them. And if you start putting all these parts inside, it's going to be difficult even to put 4 pieces inside, and the 5th piece is always the one that you can't fit. For example, right now I don't think it is going to be possible to fit even this tiny piece, and this one is going to be completely impossible to fit. So this puzzle has very interesting, unusual and unique solution, and at the first glance this puzzle doesn't look so interesting. Probably you saw it millions of times when you were looking for interesting puzzles at Puzzle Master, but when you try to solve it and you find solution, you will see why this puzzle is so nice and it is must have in your collection. If you like Galileo puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.